precision, pigment, and power. This is the journey of the world's most iconic red. It begins in the sun-drenched fields of Brazil with a harvest of pure Carnaúba wax. Only the highest grade pigments and waxes are selected for the secret Ruby Woo formula.
The process begins with the base, a molecular bond of oils and waxes melted at a surgical 85 degrees.
The legend is born. Pure Ruby Woo pigments are introduced to the molten base. Refining the texture. Pigments are milled to a microscopic 10 microns for a weightless, velvet finish.
The final ingredient, the iconic vanilla aroma, is folded in with surgical precision. Controlled flash cooling transforms the molten red into a solid, velvet-textured bullet. Every bullet is laser-aligned, ensuring the iconic MAC shape is perfect from every angle.
Engineering meets elegance. The internal mechanism is tested for a perfectly smooth rotation. Invisible eyes ensure perfection. Every unit is scanned against a master digital blueprint. The journey through the plant is complete. A masterpiece of red, ready for its final transformation.
Tested for the real world. Every Ruby Woo is built to withstand the journey to your makeup bag.
Color consistency is a science. Every batch must match the global Ruby Woo DNA. From the factory heart to the global stage. Thousands of units ready for the world.
Ruby Woo, more than a lipstick, an icon of industrial perfection.